we've come to praise His name. There's a sweet, sweet spirit in this place, and I know that it's the Spirit of the Lord. There are sweet expressions on each face, and I know they feel the presence of the Lord. Sweet Holy Spirit, sweet heavenly dove, stay right here with us, filling us with your love. And for these blessings, we'll lift our hearts in praise. Without a doubt, we'll know that we have been revived when we shall leave this
Oh, well, I'm tired and so weary, but I must go along till the Lord comes and calls me away. Well, the morning is so bright and the lamp is alive, and the night is as black as the sea.
There will be peace in the valley for me someday.
There will be peace in the valley for me. Oh Lord, I pray.
There'll be no sadness, no sorrow, no trouble I see.
There will be peace in the valley for me. Where the bear will be gentle and the wolf will be tame, and the lion shall lay down by the lamb. Where the beast from the wild shall be led by a child, and I'll be changed from this creature that I am.
There will be peace in the valley for me someday.
There will be peace in the valley for me.
There'll be no sadness,
No
sorrow, oh my Lord, no trouble I see.
There will be peace in the valley.